Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can elevate your video edits with CapCut transition effects. So in here, I've already imported my videos that I want to edit on CapCut. And here to add the transition, you just need to click on the white box in between the clips. And in here, I'm going to just click on one of them. So I'm going to click on the transition in between the first and second clip. And in here, you can just choose which one to use. You can choose any transition that you want to apply to your edits. Okay, for example, I'm going to add the black fade. Okay, this one. So you can adjust the transition duration by dragging or swipe the circle in here. So I'm going to make it 0.7 seconds. If you want to make the transition the same, you can click on apply to all. But if you would want to make the transition different in each clip, you can just click on the transition box again on the next videos and choose a different transition. For example, I'm going to add a blur. You can set the duration again, then click on the check icon. Okay, so after it's all done, so this will be the final result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.